Chapter 14, Innings 14.1, question number 2. Please refer from your textbook the questions. Here we need to find the mean by using any method. So among the three methods, I'll be taking here assume mean method. It is also known by shortcut method. So here to start with, one must have to draw a 5 columns. The first 2 columns exactly we can copy from the textbook. The first one, daily wages in rupees. The second column, fill the frequency, in short FI. The third column, that is known by the XI, which is class mark, or it is known by mid value. Now the fourth column, take the value of deviation DI equals to class mark minus assume mean. And the last column, filled with the product of frequency and deviation. Frequency symbol FI, deviation symbol DI. Now XI, that is a class mark. How to get a class mark? So that is a middle value. So 500 to 520, the middle value here by observation method also we can make up. But if you think that it is difficult for you to apply the observation, then you can take the help of calculation. Like I said on question number 1, how to get a class mark or the mid value. So lower limit plus upper limit. Lower limit 500 plus upper limit we have now 520 divided by 2, which is equal to 500 plus 520 equals to 1000, that is 20 divided by 2. So cut by 2 table, so 2 into 5, 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So the class mark of the first class interval is 510. So 510. Now to get the class mark of the second here, which is equal, just see the class size 500 to 520. The difference between these two values is 20. Just we need to add here 20 value. So 510 plus 20 equals to 530. Again here 530 plus 20 equal to 570. Again 570 plus 20 equal to 590. After that here, I'm sorry, here it will be 550. So here 570 and here 590. After that here, from the class mark, get the middle value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means odd number. Then exactly the middle value will be 550. So here you can take a symbol A, which is equal to, once you locate the value of A, then the next 2 column, that means deviation column 0 and the product column 0. After that here, to get a value of deviation, just what you will have to do, subtract these 2 values, only the number 550 minus 530, which is equals to 20. Now here, before 0, remember that always we'll have to take negative sign. After this 0, positive sign. So 20, which means here, take the multiple of 20. 20 into 1 is 20. 20 into 2, which is equal to 40. Now this side, right of 0, take the opposite of this one. Opposite of minus 20 is equal to plus 20. Opposite of this, which is equals to 40. Now after that here, what you'll have to do, get the value of frequency and deviation. Now how to get this value? That is, just I need to multiply the value of frequency and deviation. So here it will be negative 12 into 4, which is equals to 48. So I've kept here 0. Likewise here, keep the 0 in advance. 14 2's are, that is 28, sign will be negative. Now here 0 you can keep here. So 6 2's are 12. Again here 0 we can keep, double 0. Then 1 into 4 equals to 4. So after getting this one, get the sum of these 2 value. The sum here, so 0 plus 0 will be, it will be same here, 0. Again 8 plus 8 will be 16. 4 plus this will be 6 plus 1 will be negative 760. Again get the sum of these 2 value. So we get here 0. Again here 2. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. After that you can group these 2 together. Now take a rough work. For that here, I've got here the negative value, which is minus 760. The other value here 520. So plus minus will be minus. So 0, 6 minus 2 equals to 4, 7 minus 5, 2, but sign we take from a bigger number, that is minus sign. That is how here the total of this value comes up to, that is a sigma. After that here, take this very symbol fi, that is di, equals to, I've got here negative 240. Similarly, get the value of this one, that is the sum of all this value. Now take the symbol here, sigma. After that, see the fi equals to. So now 8 plus this will be 10, 14 plus 6 equals to 20, 2 in hand, 1, 2, 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. That is how here the sum of all this value 50. Likewise, the sum of all this value we have got here minus 240. Now after that here, what you'll have to do, now let the assume mean, and in short the value is known by a. So a is equal to the middle value from the class mark. So we have already labeled there, that is 550. Take the value of sigma fi di, we have got here minus 240. Sigma fi equals to 50. Now take the formula. We know that mean by using a shortcut method, which is equals to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Now you can substitute the values here. A value, that is 550. After that here, plus sigma fi di value minus 240 divided by sigma fi, which is equals to 50, which is equals to 550. Plus minus or minus 0, 0 we can cancel here. So we have 24 divided by 5. After this step, now two options are there. Either you'll have to take LCM. If not, you'll have to divide this, and after that from this value you can subtract. So we have options here. So my suggestion for this type of questions, when it comes to the statistics, first you can divide, and after that from the given value you can subtract. If it depends on the question whether it is a minus or plus, accordingly you can follow. So here 550 minus, we have here now 2, 4, that is 24 is divided by 5, which is now 5 table. So 5 fours are 20 minus, it will be 4. Not possible to divide. Take the help of point 0. So 5 8s are, that is 40. That is how here I've got here 4.8. Now you'll have to subtract. That is, we have now 50 point. After decimal point there is one digit. Take the help of digit here. Now 4.8. Now 0 minus 8, not possible. Now we try to borrow here, so it becomes 10. 0 becomes now 9. Likewise here it will be 4. So 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Decimal point 9 minus 4, 5. After that here 4. Again here, that is, we have got 5 which is equals to 5. That is how here 545.2 rupees, that will be the mean value.